Good morning. Today we will discuss a lecture which is chapter 10, the regular expression. So what is a regular expression? Regular expression are used for representing certain sets of string in an algebraic expression. So we have 5 rules in regular expression. So let's go to number 1. Any terminal or symbols representing the sigma including empty and null symbols are regular. So let's have an example of A, the terminal A, B, and C including empty and null symbols are regular expression. Let's go to number 2. The union of two regular expressions is also a regular expression. Let's see, we have the example of R1 and R2. So the terminal including R1 and R2 is R1 plus R2. Let's go for number 3. The concatenation of two regular expressions is also a regular expression. So what's the meaning of that? R1, we have the example of R1 and R2. So the concatenation of this R1 and R2 is R1 is equals to R2. So number 4, the iteration or closure of a regular expression is also a regular expression. So for this example, we will have a R1 over R2 for the regular expression of A and null or empty. Let's have A and A, AA and A. So this include the iteration or closure regular expression is the same. So let's have the number 5. The regular expression over sigma are precisely those obtained recursively by the application of the above rules one or several times.